Alright guys, I'm back. If you watched my last video, I'm actually recording it right after I filmed the other one, but you saw my Costco grocery haul. Now what comes with Costco is obviously you got to make room for all of this stuff you done bought. And y'all, this kitchen is bad once again. But you know what, let me stop it right here because we're friends, right? So then we're not gonna judge when you see my situation, okay? Bottom line, I hate cleaning. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna pretend like I feel so empowered by cleaning. I don't. If it was in our budget for someone else to do it, we would. But I'm trying to catch some lights. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. All right, here's the refrigerator. Remember, we're friends. Friends don't talk about friends, okay? All right. Y'all. Look at this. This is before I even put the groceries away. I'm just gonna call this mystery because I have no idea what's in there. You got down there, then come on up the door. Oops. And then we've got that. Now let's look at the freezer. The freezer is still gross. Well, it's gross as well. So got some door veggies. These I need to actually throw away. I just feel bad throwing away food. I don't know. And I need to throw these away too. And then look at that. What is this? Like, what is that? So I'm gonna have to clean that too. That's all. You can't see up there, but that's, oh yeah, you can. That's carrots and stuff. We're not even gonna talk about the top of the refrigerator. So if y'all want to see this transform, stick with me. He said, hi guys, Alright, I'm back. I had to get my life a little bit. Let me just show you guys the finished results. Here's the refrigerator. I've got my drinks up there. I've got mostly fruits there and just some sour cream. My lifelines, those Starbucks Frappuccinos. Hold on, buddy. Got my meats. Sandwich stuff. Veggies. And I've used this for the drinks for the kids. There are my eggs and my meat that's thawing out. And then I just kind of did my condiments like that. Got a little space down there. Then if I open up my freezer, like, that's what I got here. And there's no real organization there. I just put some veggies. I just pretty much put it where it fit. But I did put these Go-Gurts in here because I think the kids will love that. Yes. You gonna tell them it's the drink? And what else is in there?
Hot dog.
Hot dog dog.
That one.
Cheese.
That one. Grapes.
Grapes. Good job.
Mommy.
He's giving y'all. He's doing the video for me, so I'm so appreciative. And then I'll just show y'all my pantry because this is where the rest of the stuff goes. Can y'all see that? I hope. Sorry if it's dark. Just kind of. So like I say, my goal is to not have to go back to the store for 3 weeks. Today is the 19th. I don't know if I'm gonna post it today, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing y'all soon. Bye bye.